We have birds, we have animals, we have the centerpiece, which is the waterfall. You know, water brings life. Everybody was just like, wow, I love that. That's amazing. That's so beautiful. Like, I'm just gonna jump in the water. People just wanted to jump in the water.
When somebody's young, what do? They pick up crayons, they start writing on the wall. That right there explains a lot of it. And then as somebody gets older, they may take it outside. But if they evolve, they keep continuing past that, and they start bringing other people into it. What we've done is we've brought the community into it.
I find people out here sitting on the floor looking at it for hours on end. Selfies are very popular, and you name it, people are out here looking at it and taking photographs and talking about it. Yeah, it's great.